It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one that I had way back when they were too young to know when love is real. But somehow something never changed, and even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than I did before. Got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time it'll be left and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life.